Hi, and welcome to your exciting career with American Insurance Brokers. I'm going to share briefly with you over the next few moments the opportunity that you have at hand with American Insurance Brokers. Let's jump right into this right away. First of all, what quality of life do you want? Do you want more income, quality of family time, security, retirement, or personal business opportunity? With American Insurance Brokers, we can show you how to manage your time, how to have more income, and not have to travel all over the country to do it. So the opportunity, our market, with healthcare reform, as you already know, we're going to have access to 30 million more potential clients than we ever had access to before in the past. Most of these large employers are going to be getting out of their group insurance plans and allowing their employees to go to the exchange. We're going to have an opportunity to not only enroll those individuals, but to provide them with additional supplement programs to help supplement their gaps in insurance, which is going to be very important and very, very lucrative. That's why you hear all these different companies starting these phone rooms and offering opportunities in the healthcare exchange arena. Now, we have several different states out there that are very profitable that you can get involved with and get contracted in with your non-resident licenses, because we are a virtual organization and you can literally sell in any state in the United States where health insurance is viable. Now, small business owners do account for a large percentage of this country, and as well as profitability. So in terms of annual payroll, they account for about $1.5 trillion a year. And in terms of total revenue, it's $7.8 trillion. So small businesses are definitely a large part of our society, and who also contribute, of course, to insurance premium dollars. So between the small, the micro, and the single mom and pop self-employed individuals, you're looking at almost 95%, we'll say 95% of all businesses classified as small. So we still have a huge market even for those who aren't in large groups. That hasn't changed for us. Now, what is going to change, and where our presence is more needed than ever, is in terms of responsibility of educating these employers and the employees when it comes to healthcare reform. They need to be educated. There's going to be 91 total mandates by 2018 in place, and employers have no clue what's going on, nor do they know how to explain or train their employees how to choose wisely. So small businesses employ about 50 million Americans, and it's going to continue to grow and grow as these things come into fruition. So the Small Business and the Affordable Care Act, well, it's like a three-ring circus. It's like trying to take a Mensa test. And if you try to follow all the diagonals and all the arrows in terms of how you answer and which tree you have to go down, it gets very confusing. We're going to help eliminate that for everyone. Now, in terms of our potential clients, one of our biggest classes as well is the Medicare and retirees. There's over 10,000 Medicare recipients aging in every single day across this great nation. And as you can see, by the year 2030, 1 in 5 people will be age 65 or older. So we have a large senior group and demographics that we can cater to. That's one of the things that we're able to bring to the marketplace and help our clients is with Medicare supplements and Medicare Advantage plans. Now, in addition to the major medical and the ancillary product and the healthcare reform enrollments that we're going to do, we also carry ancillary lines, and we're able to cross-sell to our clients. It's for several different reasons, such as life insurance, critical illness, accident, dental, vision, supplemental, and gap plans. So we have several different products and features that we can offer all through one store for all of our potential clients. In terms, you can make a lot of money with our organization by being able to be a one-stop shop for all of our clients out there using our cross-selling engine and technology. Now, when we talk about the three parts that make all of our organization and help make you profitable, it has to deal with our training first off, because with the three areas, which is our one-on-one coaching offered through American Insurance Brokers, learning all the different vendors and products that we work with, as well as learning the technology, training is key, and we're going to make sure that you have the opportunity to get trained 24/7 at your own speed, as well as live training, weekly training, daily training. And what I definitely can say is if an individual does not do well with our organization, it's not for lack of training, it's for lack of discipline. We do work with some of the top carriers across the countries, names that you may have heard of, I'm sure, in one way or another, or that you may even currently be contracted with. Now, what we're going to allow you to do with our technology that we use and the ability to offer a nationwide program, we're going to help you open your nationwide virtual office. Many of our agents work across this country, never have to leave their home office. I personally am licensed in 24 states. I never have to leave my home office, and I'm able to earn 6 figures a year, and I have done so successfully for the last 5 years in a row, just by using the techniques, the technology, and the tools that you're going to have access to with our organization. So again, we're going to help you build that nationwide office. And these are just a couple of our managers that are licensed throughout the United States, everywhere from the East Coast to the West Coast to the South and to the North. There's no limit on the number of states that you can be involved with and work nationwide using web conferencing and our technologies and tools. So in terms of technology, what do we have to offer? Well, we have partnered with a couple of different carriers and companies. First of all, one of our main partners is GoHealth VMO. With GoHealth VMO, VMO standing for Virtual Marketing Organization, we're partnered with them to help get contracted with some of the major medical carriers across this country, as well as the ancillary products and the Medicare products. By partnering up with them, it allows us to have advanceable contracts, meaning that 99.9% of all of our carriers that we work with and represent advance commissions to you, so you literally you can get deposits every single day of the week into your account, ongoing consistently every single week, because of the different carriers and partners that we work with. Another great advantage for being partnered with GoHealth VMO is that they are the sister company and owned by Norvax. Norvax is the industry leading provider for all insurance sales in terms of automation and technology, web marketing tools, SEO generation, as well as them owning their own lead company. So when you put all of the math together with the partners that we are together with, and the tools and technology and the lead discounts and programs we have available, you can see why we are successful, and we are one of the most successful organizations across the United States today. You're going to have access to personalized agent websites, multi-carrier quote engines, lead miner, autoresponder, broker office, broker meeting, and broker dialer. And then, of course, you're going to have access to the health exchange links, which we'll be able to set up and be able to provide from the largest of corporate companies out there to the smallest of business owners and self-employees out there that we can possibly reach out to. And with all this technology, the broker office, the broker meeting, the broker dialer, the personalized websites, multi-carrier quote engine, the lead miner autoresponder, if you were to try and go and buy this program, and if you don't believe me, go to norvax.com, call them as an independent agent wanting to buy their tools. For the program that we offer, it's about $200 a month. We charge $0 because of our affiliation with GoHealth being owned by Norvax. So when you come on board with our organization, you're going to have all of these tools available to you at absolutely no cost, just by getting contracted with us. And the power and the money is made with the multi-carrier quote engine, for us being able to cross-sell using the shopping cart feature. There's no other program out there in the country today that does it like we do. And then, of course, the insurance lead programs are very strong. No matter which insurance carrier you look to work with, you got to make sure the lead program is strong and it's viable. So we are going to provide you with quality health insurance leads, uninsurable leads, life transfer insurance leads, and Medicare insurance leads for pennies on the dollars compared to what you can buy out there in the marketplace. And I'll give you some more examples of lead cost here in a moment.
Health insurance is completely impossible. It
Now,
costs
this
too
is
much.
just a short video. I'm not going to play the whole thing for you here, but just some of the SEO generation and the technology and tools. We're already ahead of the curve when it comes to healthcare reform, and we already have pretty videos that are pre-made that you can put your own information in, put your own websites together, and it can lead to your own landing page to essentially create your own SEO generation in addition to all the other lead resources we're going to help you with. Now, we're going to talk about your team, your tools, and of course the technology. As I mentioned, American Insurance Brokers, that's us. That's who you're looking at today. Again, we're partnered with the GoHealth and GoHealth VMO organization, the Norvax technology and tools, which also we're going to be linked with the GoHealth exchange to be able to enroll individuals into the exchange. So when you hear these names and these acronyms, I want you to understand who you're working with and who you're looking at. So with the advanced insurance sales and web marketing tools, that's going to help you close more in less time. So with the agent products, we'll teach you and help you understand how to use the sales automation packages, the insurance websites, the broker office CRM, broker center, quote engine, drip marketing, desktop sharing, automatic dialer, search engine marketing, cross-selling engine, senior quoting engine, The general agency products that we have, the broker center, agency office, insurance leads, quote engines, trip marketing, desktop sharing, automatic dialer, and then our carrier products such as carrier solutions, all of the e-applications. We don't have to print any paperwork, nor do we have to collect any wet signatures. Agent tools, and of course, agent recruitment. Now you're going to have access to the American Insurance Broker's website, and you'll have an opportunity to have your own replicated site for SEO generation. It is a very highly intellectual website that has all the tools and everything designed that you could ever dream of to help you really get a great start for your organization. And we're going to show you how to have access to that and how to set that up and set up your profiles. We're going to also teach you about our products, and we're going to provide you with the carrier trainings for all of the major medical carriers that we work with. We work with all of them. All the ancillary products we work with, such as Colorado Bankers, HII, Value Benefits of America, Century United Life. We also work with some of the top life insurance carriers, such as American National, Foresters, Fidelity, National Life Group, and of course the Medicare carriers, such as Mutual of Omaha, Cigna, Humana, Gerber, and United Healthcare. Now, of course, we don't leave out the good things. Even though we're going to provide you with a lot, we're not going to charge you a lot of money to get started like a lot of these carriers are. We're not going to charge you anything for our technology, but you're still even going to be eligible to qualify for special trips and incentives and bonuses. Every year we do have a company trip for the top qualifying agents, and year before last we went to Cabo San Lucas. This year we went to Puerto Rico. Next year we're going to Puerto Vallarta. So we still have a lot of opportunities for you to be able to travel this world without ever having to pay a dime out of your own pocket. Now, we're going to provide you with a lot. We're going to give a lot of commitment to you to help you be successful with our organization. So, of course, we're going to ask you for commitment, and that's going to be for you to develop a business plan, do things such as your licensing, contracting. We're going to expect a strong work ethic from you, a small financial investment. You're not going to pay anything to get started with us, but there are certain things you are going to have to pay for as being an independent business owner, such as your licensings and your certifications, things of that nature, and, of course, some leads to get going. But we're also going to provide and pay back into your program to help you keep your business going. So we are going to invest in you dollars and cents wise as well as training. But training is definitely your number one commitment, when we have every access to training as much as possible available to you. Now, what kind of tools are you going to need to have a successful start with this? You're going to need high-speed internet service, which can cost you anywhere from $30 to $60 a month. Most people have that anyways. You're going to want a PDF editor, which we have access to those for free. A lot of the services we can have access to for free. Some of the agents do want some of the higher end things, such as the Ring Centrals and the PDF Nitros. But there's a lot of things that you can use that's readily available on the internet that doesn't cost you anything, and we can teach you how to do a lot of that. But you're just going to need your basics to get going. Commitment to training. So training support materials here at American Insurance Brokers, we definitely believe it's essential to supply your agents or supply our agents with the tools and training materials necessary for success. So our new agent training provides you our one-on-one on how to get started with AIB. Our daily training calendar is where you can find upcoming training webinars hosted by AIB carriers, and on-demand carrier training provides you 24-hour recorded training and support. So again, only failure is not due to training, it's due to efforts. And our leads program, as I mentioned earlier, I was going to share some of the lead pricing with you. Our major medical share leads are only $1.80. Major exclusive leads are about $8. Medicare share leads $6, Medicare exclusive $10, Medicare life transfers $20, and major medical life transfers $35 to $44, depending upon which states that you're working in. So those of you that have been involved in this business for a while, these lead costs are crazy compared to what's being charged out there in the normal arena today for not so good leads. So we have an excellent program, but we're also going to give back to you. Like I mentioned, if you give effort, we're going to give effort, and we're going to invest dollars back in your business. So we're going to provide you lead credits for health insurance sales, ancillary Medicare supplement, life insurance, provide you bonuses, and if you get involved with our management program, you can even earn overrides on you and your agent's businesses. So we definitely want you to have a successful career with American Insurance Brokers, your authorized Go Health affiliate. And in order to do so, the first thing that we need for you to do is to go to www.joinaib.com and get registered. Again, www.joinaib.com to get registered. And if you're not sure who your manager is, just put Carlos, my name, Carlos Bastardo. You'll be able to pick that from the list. If you know who your manager is, pick them from the list of the person who recruited you. So Carlos Bastardo at joinaib.com. Get registered. After that, the manager will call you, speak with you, talk to you about commissions, how to get going, how to get set up in a system, help you complete the carrier contracts. We'll start your online and product training, and we'll help you start marketing and selling so you can start earning money right away. So join American Insurance Brokers today. Again, www.joinaib.com. I do wish you the best of luck in endeavors, and we hope to see you on the other side.